Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Google Ads series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can go to our channel and watch those videos from there. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about how to make landing pages for our Google Ads campaign, especially for service-based business. Okay, so I will share some tips and tricks with you so that you can make a landing page like this and get a good amount of conversion rate. So before creating an ads, I think creating a good landing page is very necessary so that when a user come to your landing page, most of them converts. Okay, so landing page plays an important role in our Google Ads campaign. So let's see how we can customize or create our landing page that converts. Okay, so we'll see landing page hacks service business. We have prepared a PPT presentation here and we'll try to solve those problems. Okay, so first option is above the fold tips. So first of all, let's get to know what is above the fold. Okay, so above the fold is if I come to this website and if I don't scroll, so I can see this portion. So this portion is called above the fold. That means without scrolling. Okay, so we have above the fold tips, like in the above the fold section, we can mention what are my prospects problems, like looking for freight forwarding solutions. And you can use hero headline here. Okay, so we can also mention in the above the fold section, how can we solve their issues, like SWL logistics providing drive and truckload. So if my prospects need services of drive and truckload, then this company can provide this service. Okay, so that's why that's how we can solve our prospects problems or issues. Okay, the next option is where do you serve our business? Like this one, we serve all over USA. Okay, so the next option is you can mention or showcase some unique value proposition in the header section, like serving 24/7 emergency services. And the last option for above the fold tips is give a clear call to action, like get a free code. Okay, so we'll see an example of above the fold tips here. Like I have created a demo example for this above the fold tricks. Okay, so we can see we can give this headline like looking for freight forwarding solutions. SWL Logistics offers up to 85% on drive and services. So they're mentioning what services they're providing and their offers, and they're mentioning their service areas like group drive and tracking service in Detroit, Michigan. Okay, so we can see a clear call to action button, like call button. Okay, and we can see we have a form and we have a clear call to action like get quote now. Okay, so hopefully you have a clear understanding on above the fold tips. And the next option is you need to mention some benefits, at least 3 benefits with visual focus, headshot, product shot, video, and etc. So if we go to this landing page, then we can see they have mentioned couple of benefits here, like huge network, on-time deliveries, competitive pricing. Okay, so you can mention some of the benefits in your landing pages. The next option is page loading speed. Make sure your website is mobile friendly and site loading speed is less than 3 seconds. So very important. Make your landing page as mobile friendly and make sure it is loading page is less than 3 seconds. And the next option is you can use video in your landing page. Like use a video like testimonial video, review video, case study video, the problem you solved, how you solved the issues, features, benefits, product details. Okay, so like this one, if you sell software, then make a video about how to use it or how it works. So using a video is one of the key features in landing pages. Okay, the next option is you can use testimonials, reviews. So if I go to this website, we can see they have mentioned couple of Google reviews that that increases user testimonial or trustworthiness. So uh, try to use Google reviews or testimonials in your landing page. Okay. Then the next option is social proof on your landing page. So we can see 180 customer review, some numbers here. So if we go to this landing page, then we can see they have mentioned here 12 years in the business, 100% debt free. So it is kind of social proof. Okay. The next option is you can use steps in the landing page, like step 1 for some task, step 2 for some, and step 3 for some. Okay, so if I go to this landing page, we can see they have mentioned some steps. Okay, so if I click on this link, like which areas are covered for the drive and services, so they have answered the questions. They have 3 tasks or steps, what to expect when the order is initiated. So you can use those kind of steps, or yeah, those kind of steps in your landing page. The next option is add some trust badges if you have, like this one, membership and certifications. So if you have some trust badges, mention them in your landing page. And put call to action at the top and the bottom of the page. Like if I go to this website, then we can see they have put call to action like call this number. So if I click on this number, then the user will be able to call from this option. So yeah, so it is mentioned in the header section, and most probably it has also mentioned in the footer section. So you can see call button and call to action button like get a quote has already been mentioned in the top and the bottom pages. And the next option is add a phone number at the top of the page, which I have already shown you, like this option, add a phone number to the top of the page. Okay. And the next option is use automated chat system throughout the whole site. Like if I go to this site, and we can see they have used an automated chat. Okay, so the user can interact with them easily. Okay, so I would suggest you to use an automated chat option in your landing pages. Okay, and the next option is mention which big companies you have worked with or associated with. So if I go to this landing page, we can see they have mentioned some big companies or some of the associate companies that they have worked with. So you can mention their names here, okay, like this way. And most probably the last one, you can mention key features of your service. Okay, so if I go to this website, then I can see they have mentioned some key features like customer care, safety and quality, latest technology. So in a nutshell, if I overview what should we include in our landing page, like we can have this call to action or call button in the top of the header portion. we can have the clear message in the above the fold section without scrolling section, what we are offering or what our services are, and where we are located or where we are serving. We can mention then we can give a call button here like this one, and in this section we can give a clear call to action. We can give some fields and so that user can give their information and get a quote from us. Then you can mention your social proofs like that, 12 years in the business, 100% debt free. And you can mention some benefits over here in your landing page. You can mention some key features. You can mention some testimonials. You can mention some of the organizations that you have worked with. You can mention an automated search system. So we can see they have used some social media link. So you can use them as well. Like if I click on Facebook, then it will be redirected to your to their Facebook page. Similarly to their Twitter page and Instagram page and LinkedIn page. Okay. So hopefully you have a clear understanding on how we can optimize our landing page for our Google Ads so that we can get good amount of conversion rate. Okay. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have a clear understanding on it. And if you like our video, you can subscribe our channel and you can follow our page. Yeah, that's it for this video. Have a good day.